Hello and welcome to our channel Tomokni Preparation for Government Jobs. Friends, the series of previous year's question paper of different RRB exams was started. Today we shall solve another question paper of an exam conducted by RRB Guwahati. The aim of this section is to boost your confidence before your RRB Group D exams ahead. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1. Traffic lights at three different points are changing respectively at 24, 48 and 72 seconds. If all three are changed together at 9, 10, 24 hours, then when will the next change take together? Here on every 24 second, 48 second and 72 seconds the lights change actually. Now, if we find the LCM of these three numbers, that is LCM of 24, 48 and 72, then we shall get after how much time the change will again happen together. Now the LCM of these three numbers is actually 144. So after 144 second, traffic lights will change together. First of all, we have to convert this 144 second into minute, which is actually 2 minutes and 24 second. So as the lights were changed together at 9, 10, 24 hours, then after 2 minutes and 24 seconds it will again change together. So the time will be 9, 12, 48 hours. So at 9, 12, 48 hours the lights will change together again. So option C is the right answer. Next question, 5657 by what will be equal to 56.57. Here we know that 56.57 means actually 5657 by 100. So the answer here will be 100. 3/5 part of a kerosene tin is filled. If 6 bottles are taken out of it and 3 bottles are filled again, then half the tin is full. What is the capacity of the tin? Here the tin of the kerosene contains 3/5 part of the total volume. Now 6 bottles are taken out and 3 bottles are again filled. So in short, 3 bottles are actually taken out, and for that half of the tin is full. So it was 3/5 before 3 bottles were taken out, and after taking out 3 bottles it becomes half. So if we subtract these two numbers we get 1 by 10. That means that 3 bottles contains actually 1 by 10th of the total container, that is the tin. So 3 bottles contains 1 by 10th of the tin. That means 1 by 10th of the tin is equivalent to 3 bottles, and 1 part will be equal to 3 into 10, that is 30. So that means the capacity of the tin is actually 30. So option B is the right answer. Question number 4. A cricket player makes 200 runs in the 15th over so that his average becomes 10 more in comparison to his average at the end of the 14th over. Then what was his average at the end of 15th? If we assume the average after 14th over be x, then it will be x plus 10 after the end of the 15th over. Now the total run at the end of the 15th over will be 15 into x plus 10 is the total run after the 14th over. 14 into x. Now difference between these two will be 200. Why? Because at the 15th over he made 200 runs. So this difference will be 200. Now if we distribute this, 15x minus 14x plus 150 will be equal to 200. So this gives x will be equal to 50. X means average run after 14th over. Now the question is asked, what will be the average at the end of the 15th over, which is x plus 10. So at the end of the 15th over, the average will be 50 plus 10, which is 60. So option A is the right answer. Question number 5. The present age of Mohan and Sohan is in the ratio 4:5. After 12 years, this ratio will become 5:6. What will be the age of Mohan after 6 years from now? The ratio of the present age is 4:5. If we assume the present age as 4x and 5x, then after 12 years it will be 4x plus 12 and 5x plus 12. Now this ratio will be equal to 5:6. From here we can get the value of x. So this gives 4x plus 12 by 5x plus 12 will be equal to 5/6. So this gives 25x plus 60 will be equal to 24x plus 72. This gives x equal to 72 minus 60, which is 12. So the value of x is 12. Therefore the present age of Mohan will be 4 into 12, which is 48. Now it is asked that Mohan's age after 6 years from now. Present age of Mohan is 48. So after 6 years the age will be 48 plus 6, which is 54. So option C is the right answer. Question number 6. Shonda was married 6 years ago. Her present age is 5/4 times that of at the time of marriage. Her daughter's age is 1/6 her age. What is the present age of her daughter? If we assume that the present age of Shonda be x, then 6 years ago her age will be x minus 6. Now it is given that her present age is actually 5/4 times of that age at the time of marriage. So 5/4 of this number will be equal to x, which is the present age. So this gives 5x minus 30 will be equal to 4x. So from here we get x equals to 30. So the present age of Sandhya is 30. Now her daughter's age is 1/6 her age. So her daughter's present age will be 1/6 into 30, which is 5. So option C is the right answer. Question number 7. In the last election, there was a direct confrontation between two candidates in an electoral constituency. One candidate was lost by 10,000 votes even after getting 40% votes. What was the total number of valid votes? The losing candidate get 40% of the vote. So the winning candidate will get 60% of the vote. Now the percentage difference is 20% between these two candidates. So this difference is equivalent to 10,000 votes. So 20% of the total valid vote 20% of the valid vote will be equal to 10,000. So from here we get valid vote equal to 10,000 by 20%, which is equal to 10,000 into 100 by 20, which is actually 50,000. So option B is the right answer. Question number 8. By what percent should the consumption of sugar in a family be decreased so that 20% increase in the cost price of the sugar does not lead to extra expenditure in the family? Previously the price of sugar was say 100. After increasing of 20%, the price will become 120. Now the family doesn't want to increase the expenditure. That they previously consumed sugar of 100 rupees. After increasing the same to 120, they still want to continue with the expenditure of 100 rupees. So they will consume sugar of 20 rupees less on 120 rupees of present price. So the percentage will be 20 by 120 into 100. That percentage of consumption will be less. So this is equal to 6. So 100 by 6%, which is equal to 16 and 2 by 3%. So option C is the right answer. Question number 9. If the radius of a circle is decreased by 50%, then what will be the percent decrease in the area? Here we shall apply a formula which is minus x minus y plus xy by 100%. Here one article is decreased first by x%, then by y%, and the total decrement will be given by this expression. Here we shall apply this in the case of area of a circle. Since the radius is decreased by 50%, we shall use minus 50 plus 50 into 50 by 100%. This will give the percentage decrement of the area. So minus 100 plus 25%, which is equal to minus 75%. That means 75% of the area will decrease. So option C is the right answer. Question number 10. The cost price of 12 articles is equal to the selling price of 9 articles. What will be the percentage of profit? Here on selling 9 articles, we actually gain the cost price of 3 articles because 12 articles are brought at the price of the selling price of 9 articles. So the profit will be 3 by 9 into 100%. This will give our percentage of profit. So 1 by 3 into 100%, which is equal to 33 and 1 by 3%. So option B is the right answer. So friends, if you think this video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video among friends. And to get such more videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you.